Okay, so today we're going to spend some time talking about rational exponents. Essentially what a rational exponent is, it's an exponent that's a fraction. Okay, so fractional exponents. We're going to learn how those rational exponents are related to radicals and how we can move seamlessly back and forth between rational exponents and radicals. Okay, so let's turn to the next page. Do you guys know what the word conjecture means? No. Okay, so conjecture basically means your best guess. It's like a hypothesis. Okay, so what is your best guess? What do you think is happening? So within your group, and I'm going to make you move to a group since you're all by yourself. Okay, I don't care where you move, just move. We're going to figure out how this exponent of 1/2 works with our different types of base numbers. Okay, so I know 1 to the 1/2 is equal to 1. What I want you to do is I want you to insert a calculator page. How? Control-I or Control-Doc, add a calculator page. And I want you to put in these values and raise them all to the 1/2. Do 4 to the 1/2, 9 to the 1/2, 16 to the 1/2. And in your group, I want you to come up with a conjecture to tell me what that 1/2 power does. Okay? So go ahead, talk to one another. Okay, who's got a conjecture for me? Go ahead, John. Anything raised to the 1/2 power is essentially taking the square root. Do you guys agree? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so what that means is if I have x to the 1/2, x to the 1/2 is the same thing as square root of x. Good. Okay, pretty comfortable with that one? Let's look at the next one. I want to raise everything to the 1/3 power this time around. Okay, so you're going to do 1 to the 1/3, 8 to the 1/3, 27 to the 1/3. Come up with your conjecture. Talk to each other. Okay, this table up front, what's your conjecture? Good. Anything to the 1/3 is the cube root. So if I have x to the 1/3, this is the same thing as the cube root of x. So you're starting to see a pattern? What's the pattern? Okay, good. So the denominator is giving you the what? The index. Okay, good. So that's a great connection. The denominator is going to give you that index, right? So let's get a little bit harder. A to the 2/3 power. So let's see if you can figure out this one. You're going to plug in those values and see what happens. Brandon, what do you think? Good. Okay. So tell me what it is as a radical. Cube root of? Yeah, excellent. So you're taking the number, you're squaring it, and then taking the cube root. Yeah. Take the number, square it, and then take the cube root. Okay? So x to the 2/3 is the same thing as the cube root of x squared. So do we see where things are going? Where is my denominator going? To the index. And where's my numerator going? To the power, right? Power of the radicand. Great. Do you see the connection? Okay, so let's put it to play. If you guys want to grab whiteboards and markers, you're more than welcome to, but do so quickly. We're going to do some practice.